Hi guys, welcome to the Forex channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys to this wonderful bull market strategy. This strategy is very effective, and it is one of the strategies that I'm personally using to trade bull market to make a massive profit on bull market. This strategy is very effective, and so you can see there now that I'm growing a big account, which is $600 account, and it's already in $2,300 profit. Now guys, I don't know why it somehow look a little bit trick for me to grow small account. Maybe it's because it's been a while since I traded small account. It's been a while, so let's say it's been like up to 7 to 8 months now since I grow small account. So I definitely trade on big account. So I don't normally trade small account, but I don't know why it's somehow a little bit more tricky for me. But I will surely develop on myself on how to grow a smaller account. So I'll definitely work on that between this week and next week. Definitely work on that, and I will make sure I create a video and I grow that how I do small accounts. So guys, if you're new to my channel, I want you guys just know. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I'll turn on post notifications. Whenever I post strategy, you guys will be aware. Okay guys, without wasting much of our time, let's quickly dive into this strategy, so you guys can also benefit from this strategy. This strategy is one of the strategies that I definitely use it for my own self, my own personal self. So the strategy is very effective, guys. So now I'll quickly dive into the strategy without wasting much of our time. Now guys, you can see this is the setup for the strategy. A lot of people have been asking me for this strategy, and then I'm creating a video now the strategy, guys. Make sure you stay tuned with me to the end of the video, so you guys can have better understanding about the strategy. So this is strategy. So let me first delete everything up so you can start afresh. You can see now that I have a clean chart. Now guys, this is first thing you have to do is you just go to this icon right at the top. With that icon right at the top. Now after you go there, then you click on this F plus right here. Now after you click on this F plus, then the first indicator you are going to be adding is your RSI, which is your relative strength index. This is relative index, as I always mention to you guys, that this relative strength is one of the most important indicator on to become profitable on boom and crash. So we are going to add this up now, and you can see this parameter for the relative strength index. Period is 14, apply to close, star is 2 pixel. We don't need this tie, exactly. We don't need this tie. And there's the levels, guys. This is the levels, guys. There's a lot of levels on this relative strength. So just add everything up like this, and you go and I decided to choose a blue color. You can choose color of your choice. And after you do that, then click on done, and you have your relative strength index. Now the second indicator we are going to be adding is our awesome oscillator. So we are not going to be clicking on the main chart F plus. We are going to be clicking on the indicator window 1 F plus. We are going to be clicking on the indicator window 1 F plus. Now click on that, then add the awesome oscillator. This is the awesome oscillator right here. So add the awesome oscillator up. Then this is the parameter for the awesome oscillator. Set everything up like this. After set everything up, then you click on done, and you have your awesome oscillator right in your chart. Now the last indicator we are going to be adding is the envelope. So this is the envelope right here. We are going to be adding our envelope up, and this is the parameters for the envelope. Period is 5, shift is 0, deviation is 0.100. Method is simple, apply to close, and I choose black color. So you can choose color of your choice, exactly as I did it. Then you click on done. After you add the envelope, then you have our indicator in place. Now guys, let me quickly show you guys how you can make use of this strategy. Let me show you guys how you can make use of strategy. As I told you earlier, this is one of the personal indicator that I use for myself to kill boom and crash massively. So make sure you also stay tuned with me on how I'm going to explain how you guys can make use of strategy effectively. So this is how you guys are going to make use of strategy. This is how you guys are going to make use of strategy. Now guys, the first thing you have to take note of is that you have to first go to the higher time frame. Now once you go to the higher time frame, like 30 minutes, that's not higher time frame, exactly like middle time frame. We have our 30 time frame, the higher time frame, the middle time frame, and the lower time frame. So we go to the middle time frame, which is the 30-minute and 50-minute time frame, basically the 1 hour as well. So when you go to that time frame, you first have to look at what your indicator is saying. Now you can see The indicator right here is showing us that the market is beginning to start a downtrend. It's beginning to start a downtrend movement. It's beginning to start a downtrend movement. Now, the trade that I took on this trade that I took right here is because the market is the indicator is right exactly right is exactly right there, which means that it's showing me that the market is going to begin a uptrend. Now, same thing applicable right at this top right here, which means that it's showing that the indicator the indicator show that the market is going to begin a downtrend movement. Now, once you figure that out on your middle time frame, then you shoot your lower time frame. You have to see that what the middle time frame is telling you is match with what the lower time frame is also saying, which means that it's going to match what the middle time frame is saying. Now you can see something right here. Now you can see something right here, which you can see right here. This is what the indicator is also saying on lower time frame, which is telling you that the market is going to begin the downtrend movement. And also you could see that the director of the awesome oscillator, the volume of the awesome oscillator is changing to red. It's changing red, which means that this market is going to begin a downtrend movement. Now, once you figure that out, then the next thing you are going to do is you now go to your 1 minute time frame to spot your entry, and you go to your 1 minute time frame to spot your entry. Now, let me first mark that here out, so it will be a lot more easier for us to see it. So let me use this box right here. So it will be a lot more easier for us to discover the 1 minute time frame. So now let's switch your 1 minute time frame. Now you can see it. This is it right here. You can see something right here as well. You can see that what the middle time frame is telling us is the same as what the lower time frame is telling us. Now you can see something right here. You can see this is right here, and this is the market right here. You can see the envelope is the envelope lines is crossing over reaching the RSI 90 levels, and also the awesome oscillator as well reaching the 90 levels. And same thing as well, is changing its volume, which means that it's changing from green line, which is different, to a downtrend movement, which give us the confirmation that this market is going to begin, it's going to start selling. That's how you guys can make use of strategies. A very simple strategy you can be using. So a simple strategy you can be using. Now, some of you might be wondering how are you going to get the confirmation that the market is going to begin a downtrend movement. But with the explanation of this indicator that I just told you guys, you can get everything you need with this explanation I just made on this indicator. Now, to be a lot on the safer side, now this is what you have to do. You have to know that whenever you see the market is right here, you have to also see whenever the market is right here, you have to also see you have to also figure out the volume has been changing on the middle time frame, and also every condition have been met on the middle time frame before you switch your low time frame. But mostly I don't use 1 minute time frame for my entry. I use 5 minutes for my entry, which is 5 minutes for normal effective for an entry. So which means that if 5 minute time frame is somehow time frame that I use. But if you want to scalp with this strategy, you can try to use 1 minute time frame. Make sure you do me a favor by make sure you backtest the strategy on your own. Figure out how it's personally work for your own goals. I've already backtested everything. I've been using the strategy for a while now. Maybe say half of a year I've been using the strategy, and I know how everything works. And how I use strategies, how I definitely explain you guys on how you guys can also make use of the strategies. This is how I make use of strategy, and that's how I want also give you guys an explanation on how you guys can use strategy. Now, guys, let's switch to the boom indices, so you can also So I can also tell you guys how you can make use of this strategy on what on boom. And also this strategy is what is used for what is used for scalping, and it's also used for what it's also used for if you want to what if you want to hold your trade for let's say an hours or minutes, so you can hold your trade with the what with the strategy as well. You can hold your trade with strategy as well. Now guys, some of you might wonder that I supposed to be start selling right here. Stop start standing right here. What which means that the market is what the market are showing me that the what is going to begin a what a downtrend movement. But I just scalp with the what the strategy. I just scalp with the strategy, and I'm supposed to have to close the trade right at something right here, right at this what right at this top right here. I'm supposed to have closed the trade, but I want to show you guys the and show you guys how you can make how effective strategy is before I close the trade. Now this is how you guys can make some strategy on boom as well. Same thing applicable on crash. So you have to what you have to figure that out on what on the mid time frame, which is 30 minutes, 15-minute time frame. Then once you figure that out, then you switch your lower time frame. When you condition argument, if it's a what if it's a uptrend movement, you see it at the what at the bottom. The awesome oscillator is at the 10 levels of the RSI at the envelopes as well at the 10 levels of the RSI, and you see once that's happened, the market will start changing what it start changing its direction, and also you have to note that the volume of the RSI is what start changing to what start changing to green, which gives the correction that the direction of the market is going to change what is going to change what to a bullish movement. Now guys, you can see once you do that, then switch your lower time frame to spot your entry out. You can see it right here. Or spot that out, then you take your trade and then you take profit when the market is maybe when the while there are some oscillators also reaching the 90 levels, or when you figure that you have enough profit, then you can close your trade and have a better what and have a find another opportunity in the market. So this strategy is very simple and effective strategy which I use personally. So with this strategy, a lot of people have been asking me for the strategy, so I decided to create a video on how that you guys can make use of strategy effectively, guys. So I think that is all for you guys. That's it for you guys. Make sure you backtest it, figure out how it personally work for you. And I know if you can listen to what I'm saying since a while, you use everything done, and definitely you are going to start using the strategy right now to becoming profitable. But it's very effective when you guys want to make sure you backtest the strategy. So guys, that's all for today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor by smack the subscribe button, click on the subscription, subscribe to my channel, like this video guys, and another thing about notification anytime about strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Also guys, you want to join my Telegram channel for free, signals you can join. The link is in the description below. You can join my Telegram channel totally for free, and also the account management aspect, you can also contact us for management. Thank you guys. Bye.